What's up everybody, welcome back to the Art of Crypto, the birthplace of absolutely legendary gains. In this video, let's talk about XRP. I know a lot of you are highly invested in XRP, and I believe there are things in this video that you have to know if you hold XRP or you want to get into XRP. And if you watch till the end of this video, I will actually give you exact entries and the exact ways that I would trade XRP in the upcoming couple of days. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into it. And just to kick things off, let us start at the daily chart because we always want to look out before we zoom in. So based on the big picture here, what I'm seeing is, well, to be honest, there's nothing special at the daily chart. At the moment, it just seems like we are getting rejected off of this 100-day EMA, which is nothing new because if you are a long-time follower of this channel, you know that I always say the 100, the 50, the 200-day EMA, they are all strong support and resistances in any trend. So getting rejected off of this 100-day EMA is nothing special. So we will have to zoom in a little bit more in order to get a clearer picture of what is going on. So right off the bat, it doesn't seem like there is a lot going on the 4-hourly as well. But right off the bat, I do spot a little ascending triangle going on here, where if we buy the breakout of this level right here, it could actually bring XRP up to about $1.10 and potentially even to $1.20, which is about a 20% gain. But we are going to have to dive deeper than this. On the other hand, let's bring your attention to Market Cipher. And if you just take a look at Market Cipher here, during the recent dump of the entire crypto markets, you can see that the money flow was going deeply into the red, and right now we are confidently coming back into the green. But at the moment, it does seem like on the 4-hourly we have formed a top and we are currently coming down. But in order to get a clearer picture of what is going to happen next, we have to go into a lower time frame to really zoom in on this. So if we just take a look at the 1-hourly chart, in fact, it is not looking the prettiest, I'm not gonna lie. So what I see here on the 1-hourly chart is a clear shift in momentum on Market Cipher towards the downside. Now I know that this is not something everybody wants to hear, but I am giving you the facts right now, and this is what I'm seeing. So if you just take a look at the money flow, it does seem like it is slowly but surely flowing into the red. Not only that, you are getting a clear shift in momentum towards the downside. Now, if you see here, the waves, notice here, we formed a trigger wave, right? This is a trigger wave, and this is an anchor wave. Anchor waves are basically just the deep waves, right? And any waves that form after an anchor wave are considered trigger waves, which means this, in fact, is a red trigger wave that you see right now. So notice how first we formed a trigger wave, and then now it came down to form this green trigger wave, but you can see that the next red dot was formed like even lower than this trigger wave, which indicates a clear shift in momentum towards the downside. And this is further proven by the fact that this next wave right here is even lower. So just based off of traditional Cipherlytics, this is in fact what I am expecting XRP to do, where we will come up for a little bit, right? Potentially getting rejected off of this purple line right here, which is a 200 period exponential moving average on the 1-hourly. So we get rejected there, and then we come down to form a deeper red anchor wave, right? And then we will see momentum continue to go downwards before ultimately heading up higher. But this is just one possibility right here. I am simply predicting what Market Cipher is potentially going to do. So it's not absolutely certain, but given that we have already formed two pretty deep trigger/anchor waves, I do not see much more upside for XRP in the immediate short term, right? XRP is still bullish, don't get me wrong, but just based off of Market Cipher, I would say that the next few days are, or maybe just the next day or two, will probably not be as pretty for XRP. But I still wouldn't get overly bearish, and if you are a follower of this channel, you know that we are grand strategists. We do not get overly biased towards any one direction. So let's zoom back out to the 4-hourly chart and let's discuss this, right? Because I was saying that the money flow was confidently flowing into the green, but yet on the 1-hourly, it does seem like momentum is coming down. So what exactly is the correct signal here? So if we just zoom out back to the 4-hourly, you can see that because money flow is going into the green, it means that more money is entering the asset class, which means something like this could even be a possibility. For the XRP holders out there, this is a possibility that you are going to want to see. So right now on the 1 hourly, we have predicted that we are going to come down for one more leg before ultimately moving higher, right? At least one more leg. So on the 4 hourly, it actually reflects that. So see, it comes down before ultimately moving higher. Alternatively, you could also come down like this, form a trigger wave before ultimately moving higher. All of these possibilities are bullish scenarios for XRP. I do not see much downside happening to XRP unless Bitcoin decides to absolutely screw us over again. But for now, it does look pretty bullish for XRP. So how would I trade this, right? So right off the bat, if XRP were to come down as I'm predicted, right, just a little bit, right, let us look for some support levels where we can buy XRP off of. And right off the bat, I believe that the 0.89 to 0.9 level would be a decent level to get some XRP. And if we break even lower than that, I would expect the 0.82 level to be fairly strong support. So that leaves us with these 3 levels on the chart. And if you are watching this video right now, I want you to pause it right here and go mark these levels down on your chart, because I am giving you exact entries at where I would personally look to buy XRP. And if you can't even do your own due diligence to mark these levels down on your own chart, there is nothing more that I can do to help you. So just to identify even more levels where we can look to buy XRP, you can see that this 0.7 level is in fact a very strong level of support, simply because there is more volume at around this level than there is at all of these other levels right here from 0.89 to 0.7, which probably means that if we do break below this 0.89 level, it will pretty much be just a free fall all the way down there to 0.7, at which case I would look to pick up some XRP at around this level. And if everything else fails, I would 100% buy XRP at 0.65 and 0.6, because these are really strong levels of support. But I'm not saying that XRP is going to go down there, right? I'm just giving you like some contingency plans, if you will. So those are limit orders. So that is in case XRP goes down, I would actually set buy orders at all of these levels. And by the way, guys, just a small little plug. We have been absolutely murdering every single dip that has happened in recent times, and we have pretty much doubled our money multiple times during the last few dips, while everybody else was losing money. If you like the exact limit entries that I give on my YouTube channels, I'm telling you that I crank that up on another notch in the private Discord group, where I give exact limit orders, where you just set a buy order there and you can forget about it, and you can get 100% gain, 105% here, 112% here. I'm telling you guys, in this group, you are going to make your money back in 1 or 2 trades, and the education and the community that you are going to receive once you join this group is absolutely going to change your life. So if you haven't already joined this group, the link is in the description. I want you to sign up before spots are filled up, because spots are limited. We are killing the markets every single day, and you do not want to miss out on being a part of this group. So back to XRP. So those are the limit orders. The second way that I would trade XRP is in fact based off of this ascending triangle that I was mentioning just now. So if we do break above this level right here at 1.06, I actually see XRP going another leg up. So if you are looking at another potential XRP entry, you could be looking to buy the breakout of this level. But with what Bitcoin is doing right now, I believe everyone has caught wind of the fact that BTC is looking to go down to the 35k to 36k level, which means when BTC drops, everything tends to drop. But I always like to say that trading is a game of possibilities. The way you win in trading is by taking the higher probability trades every time, over time, and that is how you succeed in trading. So I'm just going to give you another possibility right here. If I buy XRP at 0.89 here, these levels above here would be my profit taking targets. Because if XRP were to do a bounce at this level right here, we would in fact form a little double bottom, maybe get rejected over this trend line right here, before ultimately moving higher. This right here, if you do buy XRP at the 0.9 level, this would be called buying pre-breakout, you are front running the markets so that when XRP does decide to break out of this 50 period moving average on the 4 hourly right here, you would already be in a position and you would already be in profits. So then you can dump on everyone else that is trying to buy the breakout. But it doesn't change the fact that right now, if XRP were to do something like this, then I would 100% buy the breakout or the retest of this level, right? Because during a breakout and a retest is what we call a support and resistance flip, where basically it's pretty self-explanatory, where you flip a resistance into support, right? So at the moment, this 1.05, 1.06 level is acting as pretty strong resistance. So if we do break above it and come back down to find support at this level, that would mean that we have flipped the resistance into becoming support, and this would be a very, very safe entry because the strongest group of buyers are situated around this level. So if you simply buy at this level, you can just set your stop loss right below, and you can just ride XRP up to all these profit-taking targets. But the next major level of resistance would definitely be this 200 period exponential moving average on the 4 hourly. And if you don't know how to do this, you can just go onto your trading view, click on indicators, type EMA, and just make a 200 period EMA on your own. It's not that hard. Just go into the settings, inputs, change the length to 200, and you are set. So enable a 200 EMA on your own chart. This is going to be a very strong level of resistance for XRP, especially on the 4 hourly. So I would fully expect XRP to get rejected at the 1.2 level before ultimately moving up higher. So these are the exact levels that I would buy XRP at if we get there. I'm not saying that we will fill these orders, but if you do get down here, like, it is going to be such a bargain buy. So get yourself some XRP if we do fall down to any of these 5 levels, and if we do break above this level, then these would be my profit taking targets, right? You can even add another one at this level right here at 1.15 because that is where the 100 EMA is situated. And again, if you want to gain access to a world-class trading education where you will 100% be guaranteed to make back your money in 1 or 2 trades, I need you to join this private Discord group. We are killing the markets every single day, and it is not something that you want to miss out on because we are sniping the bottoms left and right. You will make your money back in just a couple of trades. So I look forward to seeing you in the Discord group. Get in before spots fill up because it is limited. And with that said, for now, may the gains be with you and peace.